Welcome back. In this video, I will explain how to receive money through Xoom in Pakistan without any hassle. So if you want to receive money in Pakistan through Xoom, this video will help you understand the basic process. Before we start, keep in mind that Xoom is a PayPal service that allows users to send money to Pakistan and many other countries. However, availability depends on the country where the sender's PayPal account is registered and the rules that apply to that region. For example, some PayPal account regions may support Xoom transfers to Pakistan, while others may not. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Xoom website. Once the website opens, click on Send Money To. After that, select Pakistan as the destination country. Now continue to the next page. Here, enter the amount you want to send. Once you enter the amount, Xoom will show you an estimated transfer amount and available transfer information. From there, continue by following the instructions shown on your screen. The website will guide you through the available transfer options and the next steps based on your account and region. Make sure to review all information carefully before continuing. And that's it. This is a basic explanation of how to receive money through Xoom in Pakistan without any hassle. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.